Welcome back. So, is artificial intelligence, or AI, a threat to content creators? I'm Richard Dawson, I'm a digital marketing coach. This is my weekly digital marketing update. So, will AI eventually replace videographers, people who create audio content, social media content, etc.? AI is proceeding at a breathtaking pace of change in the business world, and that's reflected in digital marketing as well, of course. It's a disruptor, it's a game changer, there's no question about that. AI tools can already do things like create a blog post for you, write some website copy for you. They can also make videos and they can do data analysis for you. What will they be able to do for us in, say, 5 years' time at the current rate of change? However, AI does not replace human creators, but the challenge here is for videographers, for copywriters, for social media providers, is to show their target audience, their clients and businesses, what the difference is, why there's a difference between human creation and AI creation. So today, relying on AI to create your content is a strategy that won't work, but equally ignoring AI and creating all your content manually is also a strategy that won't work. With that in mind, next time I will share with you 4 new AI tools, not ChatGPT, that will help you do that, will help you integrate AI into your marketing. I've been a trusted digital marketing advisor now for nearly 23 years, and I help and advise and coach businesses to help them to achieve their digital marketing targets. If you need my help and you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn, or on my website, Cheshire Digital Marketing. It's really going to help me if you'd like, comment, share and subscribe wherever you see this video. I really appreciate you watching all the way through to the end, and see you next time.